Hello viewers, this is Attorney Naresh Gehi. This time we are having a different kind of a segment because a lot of people who wanted to apply for citizenships have asked me, Mr. Gehi, what are the basic requirements of becoming a US citizen? A very interesting topic, and I'm sure you all are going to love it. In order for a person to become a US citizen, he should firstly be having a green card in the United States. It's very, very, very rare that the United States government would even confer citizenship upon a person without receiving a green card. The only time you can become a citizen in this country is when you are born in the United States, or you may qualify for a citizenship, but definitely after you get a green card under the Child Citizenship Act of the United States. In order for a person to become a citizen, the general requirement is that a person should have lived in the United States for a period of 5 years. 5 years, which means that you should be physically present in the United States for 5 years. Small absences from the United States under 6 months are usually acceptable and they do not create a problem. However, if a person leaves the United States in one particular trip for more than 6 months, or if he's lived outside the United States for a period of more than 6 months, then you may not qualify for citizenship. And it depends on the officer if you can show reasonable grounds as to why you are outside the U.S. for more than 6 months, then he has the discretion to grant you citizenship. To make a long story short, it would be a great idea if you would not have a trip outside the United States for a period of more than 6 months. Most often when I review citizenship applications, some people cannot read, write, and understand English properly. At the law offices of NM Gehi, we fill your application, we teach you to prepare for citizenship, and we also accompany you to the citizenship interview. And for example, if you have many clients from different countries who've come into our office and have said, Mr. Gehi, I have a relative who doesn't speak very good English, but he can write English and he can understand English. We've had numerous success stories in our firm wherein we've helped these people to study and educate themselves with the citizenship test, and they have been successful in becoming citizens in the United States. If you know anyone who wants to become a citizen, and if he has a problem with English, our firm would be more than happy to assist him in the entire citizenship application process. Sometimes it so happens is that people get charged with crimes. For example, I know somebody who actually had a DWI record, which means driving under the influence record, and he was arrested and he was produced before the criminal court, and thereafter he wanted to apply for citizenship. It is very, very, very important for a person who has a criminal record to retain an immigration attorney. This is because even if the criminal court has discharged you, this does not mean that immigration has discharged you. For example, if you have been charged with a serious crime, and after that if you're going to apply for a citizenship application, the sad news is that immigration can actually detain you when you go for the interview, and after that deportation proceedings can be commenced against you. Therefore, anytime if you have an issue with citizenship, if you want to become a citizen, it's very important for you to consult the right attorney. Our law firm has assisted many people from different states, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and speak about it, we've represented clients from different states of the United States. If you or any of your friends has an immigration problem or is interested in becoming a United States citizen, don't forget to call the law offices of NM Gehi at 718-263-5999 for a free initial personal consultation. Or if you have any further questions, email us your question at www.immigrationquestion.com.